In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete sound in InVideo. Whether you're removing a background track that doesn't fit, silencing a rough cut, or preparing a version with clean dialogue only, this quick process will help you get a silent or cleaner sounding edit without any hassle. First, head to the InVideo AI workspace in your browser. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so you can access your projects. Once you're on the home or workspace page, look for your recent work. You'll see a list of past edits in your history. Choose the project you want to modify so it opens in the editor. If you have multiple similar versions, check the thumbnail or title to make sure you're selecting the right one. With your project open, click Edit to enter the full editor view. From here, find the Music section. Depending on your layout, this may appear in the left panel or as a tab within the editor. The Music panel shows any audio tracks associated with your project, typically a background song, but it may also include other added tracks. If you don't see anything listed, you may already have a silent timeline. Locate the track you want to remove. Hover over it and look for the trash can icon next to the track name. Click the trash can to delete the track from your project. This removes the music from the timeline, but it does not affect your original audio file if it lives in your media library elsewhere. If your project has more than one music track, repeat the same action for each one you want to remove. A quick tip: if you only need the music quieter rather than gone, you could lower the volume instead, but for a clean removal, the trash can is the fastest option. Before moving on, it's a good idea to play the preview to confirm the soundtrack is gone and that your dialogue or visuals still feel right. If you remove the wrong clip by mistake, use undo to bring it back. When you're happy with the change, click Save Changes. This commits the update to your project so the deleted audio won't return. After saving, you can continue editing or export your video knowing the unwanted music is fully removed. And that's it. Open your project from history, head into Edit, go to the Music panel, delete the track with the trash can, and save your changes. Thanks for watching, and if this helped you streamline your edit, feel free to check out more quick tips just like this one.